You have a good day, okay?
Okay.
Swimming today.
No, Mommy.
Be careful in the water.
Sure.
Say bye-bye, ate.
For the one I see. Okay. And open. Oh. That's my bell.
Yeah, it's time. Oh, no, 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 no. Should have taken it off before, Baba. Okay.
I take the
Oh, eat your lunch.
Okay.
Ati's going to school. Where are we going, darling?
Coffee.
Coffee. What are you getting?
Coffee.
Oh, wait for Daddy, okay? What's Lily doing?
Jumping.
Jumping. We'll have coffee here, guys. Jumping, Lily.
Jumping.
Look at that. We've got Louis. Is that Louis?
Yeah. It's Daddy.
May kumain dito before, guys. Baby girl, look at this.
Louis in the house.
Yeah, Louis in the house.
Louis in the house.
What's
Louis
that?
in the house.
A blueberry muffin.
Louis in the house.
I was looking for my drink and look, he's got a... Madam. Oh! You can catch me. Have a look, guys. I'm riding at Paris's bike. Look how fast she is. Ah, lipong ko na ko eh. Oh.
Gimme? Gimme that? Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. You want Gimme? Give me that. Gimme. Gimme. Mommy ate. That's Louis.
It's okay. You were free playing with him. Is that good? See? See? Good boy. Good girl. You good friends? Get his toy. His toy. Go in. Say, come Louie. And give his toy. His toy there. The ice cream. The ice cream.
It's scary.
Don't be scared.
There. Here. I just want the baby.
Yeah, there.
It's
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Give that to him. You're a brave girl, aren't you?
good boy. Me. Game for me. Gimme. Gimme. Gimme for me. Good boy. Good boy. Gimme.
Yay! Are you friends now with Louie? Yeah, good girl. I love you. Say, I love you, Louie. Say, I love you, Louie. Is that your toy, Louie? There you go.
Good boy. Good boy. A fish. He bite me. Give me that. Give me. Good boy. Good boy. He called hungry.
Is he hungry?
Yeah. He's hungry.
Daddy fed him already.
Oh, no, Lenny.
Mm.
It's Lenny. Louis. Good boy.
You're very brave, Leanie. Good girl.
Good
Doing
boy.
really well.
Let's
How High five. High five, Mama. Good job. I'm impressed, Baba. I'm impressed. Celine is getting more comfortable around Louie. Pero minsan, guys, she's very, ano pa rin, takot. Kaya, kahit nandito sa loob ng bahay, gusto niyang magpakarga kasi natatakot siya. But yeah, this afternoon, surprisingly, she's doing well. She's very, friendly kay Louie. Paglaro niya kay Louie. Yeah. Gawa tayo ng toast, guys, for lunch. Ham and cheese toast. I'm very impressed, Lainey. Yeah, you're doing a great job playing with Louie.
Louie, are you okay?
Okay.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
It's okay, Baba.
Are you okay?
You gotta let him relax too, sweetie. Yeah? Huh? Don't want it. Where are we going? Wait, where's Ati? In the school, that's right. Don't push. As usual, guys, napakainit. And may nagpark kasi doon. So dito kami sa walang roof. Ay, napakainit sa loob ng sasakyan. Ayan, intay-intay, mag-cool down yung sasakyan. Yeah, ito siya hindi nagnap, guys. Anak, are you sleepy?
Yeah.
Hi, anak. Can you count for Mama?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Keep going. Keep going.
What you doing, Mom?
No, keep going. You count ba? 1,
Count.
2,
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9.
what's after 9?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Oh,
20.
20. Good girl.
Sticky.
Sticky bomb. Oh no. That's from Ate, anak. Kaya mong Ate. It's blue tack.
That's blue.
Blue tack.
Blue.
Ate time? Nak, you have to push. Nak, the end. Yeah, because Ate can drink. That's it.
Mommy.
Good job. Well done. Well done. Oh, enough now. Ate finished. Okay, Lini, turn, Ate. How's swimming, Ate?
Yeah. Good. Oh, Mommy, can I go with Sienna?
Is that Sienna?
That's Sienna.
Which one is that?
That one with the orange hair over there.
Orange hair.
I want to go.
Stay here, Louie. Careful lang. Bulingita sa muntiil na ko eh. Careful, Ling.
Mommy, he's coming.
Louie, go Ate Paris. Don't run, Lin. Nah, he wants to ride on your scooter.
He wants to what? He's crying.
Yeah? Louis.
You want to ride your bike?
Lini. Ate, give it to her, please, ate. Hi, Louis. Hello. No screaming, please. Yeah, ate, feeding Louis.
Mom.
Mm.
Mommy, I want to
Feeding Louis. Look your face, babe.
Yeah. So for example,
Yeah.
so the payment is
Actually, not fast. Lynn, do this bit. Okay, but here, and then Ate will put it on the floor. Careful.
hold here to pay.
Good girl. Yep. Good job.
My turn.
Okay. We'll give it to Louis now because he's very hungry.
Stop, I don't want to put it.
Huh? Ate, put it.
No, really put it.
Ate, how about you put together? Mag-prepare na tayo ng dinner natin, guys. So, ito yung nasa fridge. Ito yung lulutuin natin for tonight. It's the chicken mince. Ayan. And then, meron pa pala ako nito, menudo. Apritada. Ganyan. So, yung gagawin ko, guys, even though hindi talaga siya yung proper meat, but ito siya pang flavor lang siya. Masarap naman. Then we have carrots and we have potato and ano meron? Kasi 'di ba, na-mention namin ni Daddy Mike sa weekend, nag-groceries Daddy Mike. Tapos tinatry namin na hindi kami pabalik-balik ng grocery store na supermarket. Kasi sobrang
Daddy.
ang tawag doon? Napakamahal. Kasi every time na bumabalik kami doon, every time pupunta ako doon, $80, $70. And especially last week, well, the last 2 weeks, I felt like pabalik-balik ako like every 2 days, pabalik-balik ako doon. Sobrang gastos talaga. So, we try na kung ano mang meron dito sa sa fridge. Yun yung lulutuin namin. So, marami yung pinamili ni Daddy Mike. Para alam namin kung magkano yung i-google namin para sa grocery namin per week.
Wanna do it? Let him know. And
You ain't over.
Oh,
Yeah.
is it right? Eh?
So, say hi to Pa. Say hi, Pa.
And he got a little dog, Nanny.
That's Auntie. This
Yeah. He got a little dog, I believe.
that's Auntie when
say, Lenny. Say yes, I've got a
Have
dog.
you?
yes.
Yeah, Lenny has
I was
doggy.
dog. I had doggy O. An open O.
Oh, what's his name? What's the
That's
little dog's
Lenny.
name?
What's the dog's name?
Louis.
Tell Nan.
What's it?
Louis.
Oh, lovely. What
That's
colour is
Louis
it?
and that's Louis.
Bluey.
Then
And
oh
and
and
good.
and naughty and scared and biting.
Eileen, can Daddy have the phone, please?
Give the phone to Daddy na.
Please.
No.
Daddy gonna talk to Nani. Say bye-bye, Nani. Say love you. Say love you.
Bye bye. I love you.
And I love you so much too.